Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Azure SQL databases with automated backups and point-in-time restore, full guide step-by-step clearly. To backup Azure SQL databases with automated backups and point-in-time restore, start by logging into the Azure portal. Navigate to the SQL Databases section in the left-hand menu. Select the database for which you want to enable automated backups. In the Databases Overview page, look for the Backup settings. Click on the Backup option to configure the settings for your database. Ensure that the Automated Backups feature is enabled. Review the configured retention period for your backups. Adjust the retention period if you need longer backup storage. Once you're satisfied with the settings, click on Save to apply the changes. Next, let's discuss point-in-time restore. To initiate a restore, return to the SQL Databases section. Select the database you wish to restore to a previous state. In the Databases Overview page, find and click on the Restore button. You will see options for point-in-time restoration. Select the date and time to which you want to restore the database. Confirm the details and click on OK to start the restore process. Azure will then create a new database from the selected point in time. You can monitor the progress of the restore in the Notifications area. Once the restore is completed, verify the state of the newly created database. You now have a fully restored database from your automated backup. This concludes how to backup Azure SQL databases with automated backups and point-in-time restore. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.